In this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar We Can't Create a Sign-in Token error. Open File Explorer, navigate to GTA 5 or relevant Rockstar Games folder, right-click inside the directory, select New, then Text Document. Name the file command line without any quotes. Double-click the newly created command line.txt file. Type the following command inside the file. Remove the quotes. The code will be given in the description. Click on File, then Save, then close the file. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Open the Rockstar Game Launcher and try signing in again. And that's it. Your issue should now be fixed. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe.